Hello, everyone. My name is Ronnie Barsoom. I'm a workers' compensation attorney in California. I always get asked this question: how do I settle my workers' compensation case? There are two main ways of settling your workers' compensation case. The first way is called a stipulation with request for award. This type of settlement allows you to receive the value of your permanent disability and leave future medical open for the body parts you injured on the job. The second way of settling a workers' compensation case is by compromise and release. This type of settlement allows you to receive a lump sum settlement check. However, should you need care in the future, it's on you. It's your responsibility. The insurance company has washed their hands from you, and there'll be no other care that they provide. In over 20 years of experience in workers' compensation, I've noticed one thing: insurance companies want to settle your case fast and for cheap. Don't allow them to do that to you. Have us evaluate your case. Settling your workers' compensation case can be one of the biggest decisions you make in your life. In this type of business, what you don't know can cost you. What benefits are you entitled to in a workers' compensation case? There are four major categories of benefits that you're entitled to. Most individuals do not realize this and don't know how much is actually owed to them, and the insurance companies like it that way. The first type of benefit you're entitled to is medical care. This includes any type of treatment related to curing you or treating the injuries you sustained at work. This may include prescription medication, physical therapy, and even surgery. There are no co-pays or any out-of-pocket expenses to injured workers. The second type of benefit that you're entitled to is temporary total disability. This is a wage replacement benefit. So once you go to a doctor and a doctor says because of your injury you can't return back to work, the insurance company has to pay you a cash benefit every 2 weeks. This is equal to 2/3 of your average check. The third benefit you're entitled to is a supplemental job displacement voucher. This benefit is owed to you if you're unable to return to your previous employer. The state will pay for your retraining, which is about $6,000. You can choose whatever school you want to. Plus, you'd be entitled to an additional $5,000 for a return to work bonus. The last benefit you're entitled to is mileage reimbursement. For every gallon of gas you use, the insurance company has to compensate you for it. And this includes driving to medical appointments, driving to depositions, and so forth. Give us a call. Don't leave benefits on the table because you don't know they exist. The insurance company is counting on this. Have us evaluate your case so that you can maximize your recovery and take advantage of all the benefits you're entitled to. Another common question I get when it comes to workers' comp is, why is the insurance company offering me such a low amount of money? Well, it's important to understand what the insurance company looks at in determining the value of the case. The number one thing they look at is permanent disability. The permanent disability is a percentage that a doctor gives you due to the suffering that you have sustained as a result of your work comp injury. The higher the rating, the higher the value of the case. The next thing the insurance companies look at is what needs for future medical has a doctor provided you. Do you need physical therapy in the future? Do you need surgery? The more extensive the treatment, the higher the settlement. The next thing the insurance looks at is your age, work restrictions, and occupation. If you're unable to return to your employment, that will increase the value of your case. The last thing the insurance companies look at is whether you're owed any temporary disability. In the beginning, sometimes these cases are denied. Insurance companies don't pay benefits. Once the case is litigated, they are forced to accept the claim, and you're entitled to any and all retroactive benefits that are owed to you. Most insurance companies use a computer program where they plug in a bunch of numbers and it spits out what the case is settled for. There's no context, there's no emotions involved. Don't be one of those individuals that allows a computer to determine the value of your case. Give us a call. We'll give you an evaluation. We'll make sure that you get top dollar for your claim.